Mayong buntag sa mga taas yun og energy pareha nato. Nga na di ay napamudiri. Okay. Kuya pa nakadiaday. First of all, we have a tribute. Nagdungog ninyo kaganina appeal sa atong Board of Judges for the Best Festival Jingle. Nahibaw na mo, nahimo naman nato nga anthem. Mo ending ta sa atong mga. Can you please listen the volume? Mo ending ta sa atong mga events like this, ang mabuhi ka subuanon. Isa may kamao mo kanta, mabuhi ka subuanon. Kinsay di kamao? Kinsay kamao mo sayo o mabuhi ka subuanon? And so, we would like to thank him for composing this song. Kay, maski pa iyan yung gihimo many years ago, pero hangtod karon presko lang yun gihapon. Haom gihapon kung unsa ta mga subuanon. Labi na ang mga pulong pagkadaghan ng giagian ta. Mga pagsulay, kasakitan pa. Kay ligdong kaman. Ug may baruganan. Gipasidunggan mo pagkasubuanon ta. Pero kay ato manggid ka, ipasigarbo pagkasubuanon, dili lang kay kutob ra ka diha. Iyang gipunan, mabuhi ka subuanon, dungan sa imong pagka-Pilipino. Kay di gyud nato ikalimtan ang pinalangga nato nasod nga Pilipinas. And so, do we have it? In the presence of most of our mayors, ang wa diri di nato kadaog. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Paul Melendez. And may I ask all of the mayors, mayors in the city as well, where's the mayor? All our mayors in the province, is Mayor Ahong, is Pilot, Mayor Pilot Ahong still here? We would like to present you this. This is the map of Cebu, the entire one Cebu Island. And it says, this token of appreciation is presented to Mr. Paul Melendez for his iconic contribution in Cebuano arts and culture by composing the Cebuano anthem, Mabuhi Ka Subuanon. The song powerfully captures the Cebuano grit, character, and indomitable spirit that rises above every challenge. Given this 20th of August 2024 at the Cebu City Sports Center. The United One Cebu Island.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give Mr. Paul Melendez a warm Cebuano applause.
Iwan, nag-iwan na naman ka. Our results. We have our, nabili na lang. Where is, ano to si boy? We'd like to thank, umbrellas please, our board of judges, especially for the ritual showdown. Ang siyang kabuok nato na judges, labing una ning nga higayon nga ilang nakit-an ang pasigarbo sa subo. In other words, fresh sets of eyes. They are here. Ang uban yung tao mo ato'y tulog. Karen Davila had to leave. She has a flight. And some of our other judges. Mr. Boy Abunda is here. Ato tagaag masibang pakpak. Eric Cerudo. And Dennis Marasigan. Direct awal pass, iyang birthday karon pero naagyo din taon siya, katagaan ko si Pampakpak. Kaning uwan, wak man kayo mag-uwan, no? Wak kayo magbasa. Uwan naman, ulit na lang ta. Ato i-announce ron, o rugma na lang. Dili ka to, mga mayors. May we ask for SGB, please? SGB. Before proceeding, ako kaming i-clarify ha. Ang nahitabo sa Toledo. Niingon ko nga, sige, ipadayon na to, we will allow them to perform. Kay saba na kayong audience, this is for the audience, pero nasayod man ka, katong 60-second nga entrada para na istanan. Kung malate ka, na ginay deduction, mo to akong giingon. Kung naitabo to sa poro o niloan or tabugon, mo gyapon mahitabo. Naagyo'y deduction gihapon. Diba? However, ningon ay decided as amo ning naagrihan nga sa mga judges kung mahitabo man I have to ask them to deliberate ilang decision maoy final. Mangutana ra unta ko adto pila may akong i-deduct. But we went back to the tapes, to the video tape. We went back to the video. Do you have it ready? Can we please show it? Aron, klaro ba? Klaro tanan, aron way dagang istorya. Nag-trending na rabasad ko. Kay si Mami Gwen ko no, nagyaw-yaw na sad. Kung sa man inyong gusto, saba pa mo kaayo. O tubagon man ko ninyo, ang amre mo kihat-kihat lang ko. It would seem as though mo na nakadrama sa atong pasigarbo. Okay. What was seen was 1 minute exit, kibaw man ta anak tanan. The previous festival did not exit in time. Wa maka pwesto ang Toledo sa ilang props in the 1 minute nga ingress nila. But I still left it to the judges. They saw this tape. Please look at it. You can ask for a copy. Paggawas sa, you know very well, katong 1 minute for egress dili pa pwede musud ang Toledo. Kaya para to sa previous. Diha na sila pwede musud, inigsugod sa mayor's message. Pagsud nila, doon na pa'y mga props nga nabilin sa previous. Ang nakuna. Mao to ang naka-hamper nila nga makasugod on time. But I asked the judges, and I think, may I ask Boy to please, you're the best person to explain what the decision of the judges was. Is Boy still around? Napa? And, Napa? Wala na. Mr. Boy Abunda, is he still here? Wala na? Then we will ask either Eric or Dennis or Awel to explain. Dennis?
When the judges saw the video, we noticed that the previous group had not completely exited all their props for the Toledo group to be able to set up their props on the other side of the stage. And given that, the judges decided to continue with the scores as they had been computed by the judges, with no deductions.
Napa si Boy? Wala na? Okay. So, please understand, the results that will be read tonight for the ritual showdown will refer to the actual scores without deductions or as they saw fit ang judges. Kaya nga ako unta atong intention, kung doon na may deduction, sila gihapon ang magbuot. But the decision was as they scored it. So, dunay, ang scoring, as far as Toledo was concerned, kung unsa may iya nakuha nga score, wala toy. Dili, wa toy penalty for the late entry. Doon na tayo mga ties for Festival Queen, for the Caro. Again, as agreed, kung mag-tie for festival, for the top place, we ask the judges to decide who is the more deserving. For Festival Queen, sila'y nagpili o ang katay becomes the first runner-up. Ilan na desisyon, and the judges' decision is final. Okay? So, we shall ask. We will start first with street dancing, the festival jingle. We will ask Paul to announce the costume, festival costume, the festival queen costume, the festival queen winner, the caro, the float. Before we announce the ritual showdown. By that time, buntag na ta. So, pag-anda mo, pamahaw. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of our local government units. When I said level up, I did not expect that you would soar to the highest skies. Grabe. Let's all give them a huge round of applause. Can we now have the results for street dancing? I would like to announce. Mayor Raymond and I will be announcing for the ritual.
We will now announce our best in street dancing winners.
Okay, for the